Alright, so I've got the carpet panel back installed. And what we've got down in here is there's those 3 fingers I'm talking about. Down there. See if we can get it better. There we go. Alright, so I've got it hooked back over the kick panel. So there's the kick panel, and there's how it mates. And then there's 1, 2, and then there's a third. Sorry, I can't quite see. It's a third Phillips or probably T15 down there. So once you remove those, these T's they want to be pushed down. So look, so I push, but you can't push them down because those fingers are keeping it from going down. So stick your hand up between the kick panel, right, and gonna pull the carpet. Stick your hand up in here. Pull the carpet down. See that? Yeah, it looks shitty. Pull the carpet down. Now, up in here, all 3 fingers, with my finger, all 3 of those are out of the way now. So now you can push down.